Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. We thank all the YouTube subscribers for your unlimited supports and for those who have already subscribed to our indicators. So today we will show you what was the performance of our indicator on 17th August 2023. As usual, when the market has opened, what we are supposed to do? Go to the indicator settings here, then select invite only option and select our indicator MST iCore 2.0 ATS Advanced Trading System version. You just do double click on it and automatically the indicator will be added to our chart. Then the next step will be go to the indicator settings and scroll down at the bottom side and give reset settings. That's all. When you are trading in BANKNIFTY, it is always preferable to keep in very tiny SL so that your loss will be very less and the profit will be more. Clear? Now I am going to replay the market as if market has not yet opened. But if you are a follower of your Telegram, then you will be witnessing that before the market has reached certain levels, either buy zone or sell zone, we have posted the levels in our chart, in our Telegram group. So there we have clearly mentioned if the market is crossing 44,000, then it will go and touch our sell zone, then from there it will fall. We had mentioned, you can see along with that time of posting. So now assume that market has just opened on 17th August 2023 at 9 o'clock, 9:15, and immediately once the market has opened, you can see here our lines got formed. So when the market is reaching 44,046, we are supposed to buy a put option. If the market is reaching at 43,760, we are going to buy call option. Hope it is clear. And what is this line? So this is drawn based on the price action pattern yesterday itself. So now again the market is running. We are ready with put option as well as call option. If the market is reaching downside first, we will be buying the call option. If the market is touching the top side sell zone, then we will be buying put option. So this is for those who are trading in ATM money. If you are trading in ITM or OTM, then you can choose the midpoint. So the midpoint is our 43,900 call option, 43,900 put option. So if you are having less investment, less capital, when the market is reaching the sell zone, you can buy 43,900 put option. If the market is coming down to buy zone, you can buy 43,900 call option. It is very simple. Alright. Still market has not reached either side. We are waiting for the entry. We know our stop loss, we know our targets, we know our entry. So all these are given at 9 o'clock itself. Once the market has been opened, immediately we know where to enter, where to exit, what to do if loss comes, what to do if profit comes. So everything we know in advance. So now we are ready with call option as well as the put option. We are waiting just for the entry. And if you are watching our YouTube channel for the first time, please subscribe and watch and share to all those people whom you are carrying. So now what happens, see here, exactly it has gone to the sell zone and it has touched it and we got our sell entry. Once sell is activated, what you are supposed to do? Cancel the buy. Once sell activated, cancel the buy and enable the sell targets. Now you can enable top midpoint. So instead of enabling midpoint, you can enable top midpoint. Now this will be the settings. Okay. See where it has taken the support, exactly at our third target it has taken the support and it has reached up to our sell zone. So now we are going to do two things. One, we have bought one put option here at 44,000 put option we have bought here with the SL of 44,116. When the spot value is crossing 44,116 on a closing basis, we have to exit the put option. From there we have to buy the call option if SL is hit. Otherwise we should be in a put option buying only. Right. Now I have taken put option by 44,000 put option. I am waiting for the first target of 43,977. Once again it is going back and touching our sell entry without giving our first target. If target is not coming, it will be hitting our SL, we will be booking the loss. From there we will take the call option buy. If the market is coming down and touching our first target, we will be in a profit. Yeah, we got the profit of first target as well as the second target also we got the profit. So if you are having patience, you can book 1:2. Keep one ratio of stop loss and 2 ratio of target. Suppose say you are keeping 10 points as stop loss, then you are supposed to keep 20 points as the target. Now you can see yourself what happened in the live market, that market has been giving us continuous profit in Bank Nifty, Crudeoil, Nifty, almost in all the scripts we are getting the continuous profit. So our trading system is very simple. See, yesterday also we got the sell entry and 2 targets have been achieved, and today also sell activated and 2 targets perfectly achieved, and still we are waiting for more fall to give the third target also. Hope it is clear. If you are having any doubts, please contact us on the given number 9500009154 and 9444738620 in WhatsApp. Once all your doubts are clarified after watching the videos, once you are interested to subscribe for our indicator, then you will be added to our premium group with validity of lifetime. So there we will be posting what to do, when to do, and we will be educating there then and then whenever it is required. So we wish you all the best for your trading as career to make continuous profit in the forthcoming days. And those who want to avail the Independence Day offer, so only for few people we are extending the offer till 20th of this month. So 3 more days are there. So till this Sunday I think we can extend that offer. Whoever interested, they can contact us on the given number. Please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel as well as join our Telegram channel. Happy bye bye.